Everything explained in this video is summarized from the CoinMarketCap. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future XRP news and some other cryptocurrency news in general. Now, take a look at this. Final judgment expected this week as XRP case heats up. How the final decision might appear. Judge Elisa Torres is deliberating over a ruling this week that may conclude the nearly 4-year legal battle between Ripple and Torres must make a crucial choice about the case's sanctions and injunctions. The SEC charged Ripple in DEC 2020 for offering XRP for sale on its platform as unregistered securities. On the other hand, Ripple asserts that XRP is digital money. Much like Bitcoin, Judge Torres rendered a partial finding in favor of Ripple in the ongoing lawsuit, categorizing XRP sales on exchanges as non-security. However, the judge cited that institutional investors' XRP trading qualified as securities. Prominent attorneys James Murphy and Fred Rispoli anticipate receiving Judge Torres' final decision by early August. However, Judge Sarah Netburn is still working on a motion, so there may be a slight delay. As we previously reported, Judge Netburn unexpectedly suggested a speedy resolution to the Ripple v. SEC lawsuit. Since then, spectators and market analysts have written off the chance of a settlement in the ongoing legal dispute. Notably, pro-XRP attorney Bill Morgan says that Ripple and the SEC might not gain from a settlement. Morgan argues that a settlement does not imply a big win for Ripple and instead calls for compromise on both sides, as we discussed in our previous post. Mark Fagel, a former attorney for the SEC, agrees with Morgan. Fagel claims that when a settlement is reached, both parties forfeit their right to appeal. He continued by saying that if the CC chooses to resolve the matter outside of court, it may potentially forfeit its $2 billion penalties. The decision by both parties to appeal earlier decisions is the primary reason why the Ripple v. SEC lawsuit may not conclude this week. Still, blockchain aficionado Mikkel thinks this is the weakest complaint the SEC has made against Ripple thus far. Consequently, he thinks it unlikely that the SEC will submit an appeal. Despite being particular to the case's facts, the ruling may provide other cryptocurrency companies battling the SEC over whether or not their goods are subject to the regulator's authority with leverage. In the meantime, XRP has significantly increased over the past 2 weeks as traders have been profitably taking profits. Since July 12, there has been a surge in the network realized profit loss statistics, which determine the net profit loss of all coins exchanged on a particular day. The current surge in XRP is noteworthy because the token had been stuck in the 5-cent level for a while. Should Ripple receive a favorable ruling, this might result in additional price increases for Ripple. Conversely, XRP might be demoted if the regulator wins the case. Also, Ripple is preparing to release 1 billion XRP. Again, we'd be worried because the claims in the complaint are well placed and provide plausibly supporting evidence for the SEC's claim that Coinbase functioned as an unregistered intermediary of securities. The court has concluded that the motion of the defendants must be denied in large part. If Judge Fiala allows Coinbase's motion for interlocutory appeal, the Securities and Exchange Commission 6 may decide to forgo its preparations to appeal the verdict regarding the programmatic sales of XRP. In addition, if Ripple is successful in avoiding an injunction and the SEC abandons its intentions to appeal, the price of XRP might rise above $1. When there is still hope for a settlement, investors should maintain constant vigilance. Keeping up with our most recent news and analysis is essential for effectively managing exposures to XRP and the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Ripple continues to follow the practice that it began in 2017, which is to release a sizable sum of XRP from its escrow accounts every month. As August 1 draws near, all eyes are focused on the cryptocurrency business, which is on the verge of releasing a further 1 billion XRP. A new release of XRP is anticipated. According to the data provided by XRP Scan, Ripple, the company that holds the most number of XRP tokens, will distribute 1 billion tokens from its Ripple and Ripple account. Both accounts have a total of 1 billion XRP, with each account holding 500 million XRP. As part of the monthly releases that the corporation has been doing since 2017, this procedure is being carried out to gradually manage the 55 billion XRP that has been placed in escrow. As of right now, about 44.2 billion XRP are still locked, and the slow release of these remaining XRP could have a huge impact on the market. Both Ripple's position as the largest holder of XRP and its approach to selling the cryptocurrency are important aspects for investors to keep an eye on. Earlier unlocking has frequently resulted in partial sales. The vast majority of the tokens that have been issued are placed back into new escrow contracts by Ripple, referring to the instant effect that it had on the market. The forecast for the cryptocurrency market, an examination of recent occurrences, reveals that there is a certain amount of volatility in XRP in the days that follow the monthly releases. In January, for instance, the sale of 2 million, 6 million XRP in just 3 days caused the value of the cryptocurrency asset to decrease. Investors and analysts continue to maintain vigilance as the anticipated next unlock draws near. Furthermore, they are particularly concerned in forecasting the short-term and medium-term consequences that will result from these releases. Up to this point, Ripple's strategies have demonstrated a methodical approach. Their objective is to maintain market stability while simultaneously satisfying the liquidity requirements of the company's operations. In conclusion, the unlocking process starting on August 1 is not merely a technical one. In the context of a cryptocurrency ecosystem that is always changing, it sheds light on Ripple's strategy as an indicator of the economic health of the currency and its capacity to influence or even stabilize the market in conditions of fluctuation. The decisions that the company makes regarding the management of its XRP assets are closely monitored. By attempting to anticipate the actions that Ripple will take, market participants will be better able to navigate the complex and ever-changing cryptocurrency landscape. Over the years, the Ripple vs. SEC case, which started back in December 2020, has made news due to its progress and potential conclusion. While Ripple argues that XRP is a digital currency, the SEC claims that the native token of the company is an unregistered securities. The stakes are enormous since Ripple may have to pay large fines and maybe have its operations restricted. XRP is one of the performing assets in the divided market as a result of the recent rumor that drove prices upward. After a significant behind closed doors meeting between Ripple and the SEC was rescheduled from July 18 to July 25, the excitement reached a fever pitch. The price of XRP surged as a result of this delay. In the last week alone, the token's value increased by nearly 13. Traders and investors are keenly observing any indications of a settlement. Showdown by Brad Garlinghouse, a hint the CEO of Ripple. Brad Garlinghouse alluded to a potential showdown in a recent X post, which may portend a major development. Many have taken this remark to be a sign of a possible settlement or significant end to the current legal dispute. Considering how the market has performed so poorly over the past few days, XRP has been one of the performing assets. Solana and Bitcoin are two examples of cryptocurrency assets that have performed well over the weekend. XRP, however, assets like Toncoin and Ethereum have been losing value. This was conventional with the way the market has historically responded. XRP is still the 7th largest cryptocurrency asset by market capitalization as of this writing, trading at 60 cents according to Crypto News Flash data. In the previous 7 days, Ripple's XRP has increased by 2L and in the most recent day, it remained rather stable, showing a rise. Morgan made a noteworthy observation when he mentioned that a settlement might create significant challenges for Ripple.